8. Does crime pay? A great many people in California were very unhappy recently because a con man was released from prison after serving only 3 years of a 9-year sentence. This man robbed a number of people of $9 million by operating a supposed investment business, which was actually an elaborate Ponzi scheme. The con man thus served 3 years, or paid a year for each of the $3 million in profit. An attorney for some of the victims said of Boron, where the con man was incarcerated, "It's a country club, not a prison. They've got tennis courts, a lovely swimming pool, and a very lovely exercise room. The prisoners live in dorm-style housing." Los Angeles Herald-Examiner, May the 17th, 1982, A1, A5. Some of this con man's victims lost their savings and their homes. The con man lost 3 years of his time and nothing more. Clearly, this is not justice. Very obviously, crime paid very well for this man, as for many others. Prisons are no deterrent for crime, even at their worst, and the growing crime rates is of concern to us all. It is time, then, to reconsider what the Bible requires with respect to criminal offences. The basic premise of biblical justice is restitution. Restitution places the penalty on the criminal, not on the victim. If a man steals $100, he must restore $100 plus a penalty of another $100. Depending on the kind of thing stolen, restitution can be up to 5-fold, according to Exodus 22:1. If a man cannot make restitution, he must become a bondservant and, by compulsory labour, be in servitude until restitution is fully made. For capital offences, capital punishment is required by the Bible. In this system, the criminal is penalised, not the victim. In some states and localities, we are seeing a return to the principle of restitution. A recent case reveals that one particularly degenerate criminal, whose profits run into millions of dollars, has deposited these funds in foreign banks. Such a step makes retirement abroad easier after a brief spell in prison at the taxpayer's expense. The courts never asked the con man who robbed trusting people of $9 million to repay anyone. As taxpayers, all of them helped to support and imprison the man who destroyed them, and they know that he will now have a beautiful home to return to, plus a mansion in Hawaii. Crime does pay. This is one reason why crime is a major growth business. Big money is being made in crime. I doubt that Benjamin Franklin would say today that honesty is the best policy. Honesty is the only moral and godly way of life, but our laws and courts are hardly making it a good policy. Any society in which crime pays is in deep, deep trouble.